algebraic. So first one is this graphical method. So we will do only few questions of this graphical method, and then you guys. Oh, did you guys try? Yeah, did you guys try this question? Did you guys find out what was the number, good number that we can plot? Yes. Yes, guys, did you find out what was the number for this equation? No one tried. Okay, so we will start from this again, right? So guys, try, find out, then we'll start. Okay, so for Uttarakhand flood victims to Section A and B of Class 10 contributed 1500, right? If the contribution of 10A was 100 less than that of 10B, find graphically the amounts contributed by both sections, right? So let's say, right, so we have this question number 2, and we have to plot, and we have to graphically find out that what is the amount contributed by both the sections, right? So first one is first equation would be what? Let's say A contribute X and B contribute Y. So X plus Y is how much? 1500, right? And if the contribution of 10A was 100 less than of B, right? So this is a contribution of A, and this is 100 less than B, right? So these are the two equations that we have to plot. So X plus Y is 1500, and X minus Y, that is minus. So these are the equations, right? And we have to graphically plot them and find out the solutions, right? So again, we can take the points, right? So what I will do is that I will not focus on these portions, right? Graphically portions you guys try, because that is helpful in the graph paper. If we don't have any graph paper, then we would not get the correct results. So I will do a few questions, and then we'll move on to the algebraic solution. Okay, so these are the two lines, equations, and we have to find out the coordinate points for these equations. So X plus Y equals to 1500. So first, let us take that Y is, so at X equals to, let's say, 1000, right? Y would be how much? So this would be 1500, or let me write it as, so 1000 plus Y, because I have taken X to be 1000, and this is 1500. So Y is 1500 minus 1000, which is 500. So this is the coordinate point that I have, 1000 comma 500. This is one point, and we have to again find the other part. So at let's say, how much we should write? Let's say Y equal to 1000, right? So then X would be how much? 1500 minus 1000, which is 500. So the other point is 500 comma 1000. So these are the 2 points for the line x plus y equals to, yeah, so x is 1000, and for x equals to 1000, y is 500, and for x equals to 500, y is 1000. So this is for the line x plus y equal to 50. Now the second line is what? X minus y equals to minus 100. So now let us take x equals to 0. Right, at x equals to 0, y is how much? Y is 100. Or what should we take? Should we take, let's say if we take x equals to, yeah, that x equals to 400, then y would be 5. Now let us take this one. Right, so at x equals to 0, this is 0 minus y, and this is minus 100. Minus, oh, that, what happened? What is, yeah, so this is minus 100, so y is 100. So then the point is this is 0 comma 100. So that is why these kind of questions are good, right? These are very lengthy question, and the answer is simple. So we already know that what is the answer. Answer is 2x equals to 1400. So x is 700. We already know the answer, but we have to show them graphically, right? So that is the job that we have to. Okay, and at we can take y equal to 0, right? So at y equal to 0, or we can take y equal to, let's say, 200. Right, so at y equal to 200, this is x minus 200 is minus 100. So then x equals to minus 100 plus 200. So x is, so the point is 100, comma 200. So this is, these are the 2 points we have for the line x minus y, which is minus. So then this would be, so the points are 0, 100, 100, 200. Okay. So now we have to plot these two lines. So again, we have to take, this is 100 and 200, all these numbers. So we have to take one big box to be of 100. Then this is 200. This is, oh, y is also going 1000. So 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 10. And then there's no negative thing, so we can skip that. But we have to take 0 to 100 from the on the y-axis. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Yeah, so we should have taken 200 big divisions, but this is also correct. This is 900, and then this is 10. Okay, now first one is 1000 comma 500. So x is 1000 and y is 500. So this, right, this is 1000 comma 5, and then 500 comma 1000. Oh, so 500 comma 1000. This is this one, right? So this is again another line, and the other line is what? So 0 comma 100, 0 comma 100 is this point, and then 100 comma 100 comma 200. So this is so one line is this one, right? And the other line is this one. So I guess this should be around 700, but we are getting it at some other place, right? So the answer should be 700 comma 800, right? This is the answer. So this coordinate is 700 comma 800. How do we know that? We know that by the algebraic solution. So by algebraic solution, this would be 2x. This is 1400. So x is 700, and y is so this is x plus y 1500. This is y is 1500 minus 700. So that is it. This we know already, but we have to do all these things to get the graphical solution. Right? X is 700, y is 800. So this is x, this is y, and this line is x plus y equal to 1500. This line is x minus y equal to minus. These were the questions. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so okay, so you guys understood and you guys have done this question already. So do you guys want to note down this part? Hmm?
Uh, what, sir?
Yeah, so do you guys want to note down this part? Because this was the big question, this graphical solution is very yeah. Then,
Yeah, I will note.
so please note it down then. Whoever want to note it down, please note it down. And then we'll skip to the algebraic solution. So these kind of graphical solution, yeah. Whenever you get all type of questions, so please skip this part. This is very important. Because you guys can see that this question is of how many lines? Only 4 lines. But from graphical solution, this is this bigger solution. Yes, anybody, any questions? You guys have any question, any doubts in this problem? No one. Yeah, and there is this shaded region kind of questions also. So that we have done already, so you guys can see from the NCRT also. Yeah. So in this portion, graphical portion, they will only ask from here, but algebraic solution can be from here. Yes, everyone understood. Guys,
Yes, sure.
only
You
you
can
are
just scroll
saying,
down.
yeah, only you are
Yeah.
saying it is one.
Uh,
That is why
I
I'm
think no one
asking.
understand except me.
Oh, wow.
Haha.
Smart, smart boy. Yes, everyone. Yeah. So, okay. So, can you, yeah, reply it to everyone, Ashit, right? So that, oh, Shoaib has told us that. Yes. Walaikum salam, sir. So early. Yes, what happened, Talha? Did you just come from the school?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, so we are just we have just started and we are one question took this 15 minutes, right? So this is yeah, I should not
Gone.
done. Okay, so I
Can you
should not
just show the right side?
yeah, right side is there. So I should have taken the division to be 200. So if we take division to be 200, then it is simpler, right? Then I'll have to
Yes,
just
sir.
yeah. Firstly, I was thinking about to take the division for 500, but the graph would be too small for that, right? Because 100 point would be too close to this value. So if we take 200, then this is 400, 600. So this would be small, right? 800 and then 1000. So only five markers. One, two, three, four, five. So this would have been all, right? Yeah. Any
Yes,
so
sure.
yeah. So that is dependent upon you that what is the choice of the big box of the graph that you are taking, right? So depending upon your choice, yeah, you can draw the graph. Okay, everyone. So everyone has noted. So let me go to the or should we do this question? So what I will do is that I will tell you guys. So three lines, right? You guys, this in this question are closing a beautiful triangular park. Find the points of intersection of the lines graphically and the area of the park of if all measurements are in kilometer, what type of behavior should be asked? This what type of yeah. So this you guys told me earlier. The answer you guys told was very good. So yeah, in this question, what do? We make so let's say these are the two lines that we have, and the third line is x equals to 0. X equals to 0 is which axis? X equals to 0,
Why?
y axis, right? So this would be the third line, right? This is one line, this is second line, and this is the third line. So this would be the triangle, and these would be so this point and this point we already right. So then we can calculate the vertices, right? So you guys try this problem. I will send you these homework. So you guys should practice this. So this would be the coordinate, let's say some 0, comma y3 or y4 or whatever, y1. Let's say this is 0, comma, or this is 0, 0. But let's say it is somewhere else. So y2, right? And let's say this a point is, let's say x1, x, comma, let's say x3, comma, y3, right? So if I ask you guys that how can you calculate the area of this triangle, right? So now area of the triangle of this figure, how can we calculate? So this question I will ask you, right? Let's say that you have this figure, and let's say this is 0, comma 5. Let's say this is 0, comma minus 2. Let's say this is 1, comma, let's say let's say 2 comma 3. So you have these three points, right? This is the triangle which is made by, these are the vertices of the triangle, right? So you guys have to find out what would be the area of this one. So how can we calculate the area, right? Rizwan, Talha, Shaima, right? Then Ashid. Okay, so Rizwan, how will we calculate the area of this triangle? All these coordinates are given.
Using coordinates.
Using coordinates.
Mm.
So what would be the area of triangle?
Let me think.
Okay, so brain and you are thinking. Yes, Tala, how can we calculate the area of this triangle? Yes, quickly, quickly. So if you are thinking, just tell me that you are thinking, and then I'll move on to Shaima, and then yes, Tala, you are thinking.
Yeah.
Okay, Shaima, how can we calculate the area of this triangle?
The Heron's formula.
Okay, so one answer is Hero's formula. And Harshit, what about you? Yes,
So
yeah. So what did you say? Same. Yes, Harshit. Oh, yes, Harshit. Sorry, I couldn't hear. So I guess Hero's formula. Okay, yeah. So you are also telling me Hero's formula. So Amar, what about you?
My answer.
Yes.
Can I change my answer?
Oh, you want to change your answer? Yes. So then, what is the answer?
The general formula of the area of a triangle.
Okay, it's this one.
Yes, sir. Even I was thinking of half into base into height.
you can change my answer also.
Okay. So
So
okay.
you can even change finals.
Oh, you are thinking, Rizwan. How? Okay. What is your answer? So half.
Sir, sir, I got
Aman.
started getting confused because this one, the other answers were here also familiar, so I started getting confused.
Oh, so you are saying half basic, right? Good. And Shoaib, what about you? Yes, same. So which one? A half basic to height, right? So whenever, yeah, this one is the universal answer. Whenever we have the coordinates, so we use the Heron's formula, right? We calculate these distances and then we use S minus AS minus BS minus C. But this peculiar diagram, this peculiar triangle is, yeah. So if we use the Heron's formula, that would be length. So all of you guys, very nicely, you guys have figured out that we can use this half base into height. So if we choose this base, so what would be the length of this base, guys?
7,
7, right? And height would be how much?
3,
3 or
2, 2.
good. So we can simply, without using the Heron's formula, whenever you guys get this kind of triangle, right? So we can use this one half base into height. That would be pretty easy, right? Good. Nice. Nice, everyone. Yeah. So we have to think about the ways in which we can simplify or quickly do these problems. So if we use the Heron's formula, then that would take. So to calculate the Heron's formula, first we will have to calculate this distance, this distance, this distance, then calculate the semi perimeter, then take so then calculate this area. So that would be it. So good. Yeah, so let us not discuss this graphical solution more, but please, you guys, practice, and whenever in any of the question, if you have any doubt, right, please ask me that. Please ask me if you guys face any of the problem in these set of questions. I'm not discussing this here because this takes time, right? And yeah, this procedure or the steps are always the simpler ones. So please, you guys, try these questions, right? And we will move on to the algebra section. Okay, everyone. So yeah, I request all of you guys to go through at least go through all these questions and think if you can do all these problems, and you find any if you have any doubts in these set of questions, so please let me know. Okay. So then what is the next thing? Yeah, so this one uses some mathematics. That one was lengthy topical solution. So this algebraic solution came because of those lengthy solutions, right? So we already know this method, then why bother about those graphical solution? But in the exam they may ask, right? So we have to practice those questions. So I should keep this one right. Or you guys know all these conditions already. Then we will do some questions. Now all of you guys are with, right? And you guys have become so silent, right? I guess, yeah. So please don't hesitate, right? If you have any doubts, please ask. Okay, so if ax plus by is this and bx plus ay is this, then the value of x plus y is what? So, yeah, I remember Hashid easily solved this question. So Hashid is expert in this chapter because he has done all these assignments problems. But for the revision part, so Hashid, you are also right. Okay, solve this first question, everyone. So, and for Aisha, this is the first time that you are doing the revision, right? Revision class. Good. That's good. Yeah, now we know all the methods, right? Substitution or the elimination method. Now we all those kind of solutions, unique, many, and no solutions, consistent, inconsistent, parallel, intersecting, or coincident. All these things, keeping in mind those things, we'll do these kind of solutions. So whenever you guys get the solution, please tell
Sir, option A.
option. So Rashid, it is option. And let us try to finish this revision by the end of October. Then in November we'll do these two chapters. Then again we will get back to the revisions. So your exam will happen in February or March, right? So let's do at least 3 or 4 revisions at most. We can do it, but at least 3 or 4 revisions. February 15. Oh, you have got already the date. Okay. Yeah. So focus. So mission February. And this is star because for Shama it is 15, and for all of you guys this may differ. So that is why this star, right? Yes, only Ashit was got the answer, guys. What is happening?
Semi finding.
Finding again. So loading.
Not finding, I'm doing.
Yeah. So,
Um,
we are doing this question, Rizwan, for the third time, right? With you.
oh yeah, yes. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Okay. It's C.
Eh? See, you are getting C.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Yeah, you can use any method, right? Elimination, substitution, or Ashi told us about the simpler methods. Any method can. Yes, Talha, Shaima, Amar, Shoaib, Aisha. Oh, Rizwan is correct. It's option C. So Rashid has changed. Yeah. So now we have a confirmation. So Shoaib is also getting C. Yes, guys. So let me give you guys the hint as Arshid told us previously that add these two equations. So that is the right, Harshit. And you can also use the elimination method as well, or
Yes,
uh,
sir.
you can use the elimination substitution method both. But this one is simple. Adding these two equations. Guys, what is happening? You 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, so are you guys stuck at some point? Let me yes, so let me just do this problem, and you guys please check that with problem. So ax plus by is a square minus b square, and bx plus ay is 0. So let's say this is 1, this is 2. So adding these two equations, adding these equations, what we will get? Ax plus by plus bx plus ay. This is a square minus b square. So ax plus bx. X we can take common, and again y we can take common, so a plus b. And then we can take a plus b common. So x plus y. Then x plus y is how much? So a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b, and a plus b. So this part cancels out, and x plus y is a minus b. Right, everyone? Is this clear? So you guys knew the answer, but there was some calculation, right? So what method you guys were trying? Shaima, Amar, Shweb, Talha, Aisha, what method you guys were trying?
Elimination method.
Elimination, yeah. So what was the problem in the elimination, right? Yes, and rest of you guys also, you were also trying this elimination method.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us check where was this mistake, right? So any method we can try. Ax plus by is a square minus b square, and bx plus ay is 0. So we should multiply this with b, right? And this with a. So then this would be abx plus this is b square y, and this is a square minus b square, and this is abx plus a square y, and this is a square minus b square, right? And then we subtract these two equations. So this would be how much? This is minus, this is minus, right? And oh, this is then we subtract these equation, and then we'll get what? This will be cancelled, and b square a square, and then y, and a square minus b square. So only the difference is of minus, right? So this divided by b square minus a square. So if we take negative common, so this is b square minus a square divided by b square minus a square. So this will cancel, and this is minus 1. Am I getting some wrong here? Yeah, so let us check. Bax b square y. Oh, there is also this one, right? That is why this is.
So
Yeah.
did you do mistake?
Yes, so why didn't I multiply this one? This was
Oh,
yes, so this was the mistake, boss. That is why practice. I am also out of practice. So yeah, a square y, and then 0. So then we can subtract these two. So this is b square minus a square y, and this is a square b minus b cube. So then if I take b common from here, right? So this is b square minus a square. Y and b is common. So this is a square minus b square. Now we are getting the correct result, right? So this is b a square minus b square divided by b square minus a square. Minus is common, and this is b square a square divided by this one. So y is minus. And if y is minus b, then how much is x? So bx plus ay equal to 0. So bx plus a into b minus, right? Minus, this is 0. So b we can take common, x minus a is 0, x is a. So x plus y would be how much? A minus a. Right. So this is from the elimination method. So what was the mistake, guys? Yes, Shaima. Where was the mistake?
Where a square b, that I only wrote a square and I don't know what to take out common.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So good. Yes. Yeah, so but this one is simpler, right? This is the general case, right? Because if we don't know the trick, right? If we don't know the trick, then this is the only savior. So, but this one is the simpler, right? So whenever we say we see these kind of question, so you have done this problem before, right? You did this problem like 87x plus 79y, something like that, and 79x plus 87y. These question you did before, right, Shaima? So whenever we see these kind of interchanged coefficient, then the idea is that we add or subtract these two equations, right? Yes, everyone here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please quickly note it down, and then I will give you the other question. Yes, Talha, Amar, Aisha. What about you? Yes. We drop silence. Yeah, you guys note it down, right? And please tell me whenever you guys are. Yes, everyone noted. Yes, guys.
Done.
Yeah.
On
Then on to the next question, right? We quickly finish this linear equation in two variables, and then go on to the quadratic equation. But I should okay, so the next question is simpler one, right? Now let us. So the first question was the difficult one, and the next is the simpler. So you guys, please calculate the answer of this next question, right? Find the value of k for which the linear equation has many solutions. Now we are back to the simpler one. Please calculate and tell me what you guys are getting. Yes, guys, what is the answer that you guys are getting? Whenever you guys have calculated the
7,
Okay, 5.
7.
5 and 7, there is some that's all right. Oh, okay. Now, who is confirming this? Prediction? So the next vote will decide, right, who is correct between this one and Shai.
I must win.
So, so your answer now, you want to change your answer.
No. I said I must win.
Oh, you must win. So why is it each, right? Sometimes we can lose, sometimes we can.
Yes.
So when we lose, we learn. When we win, right? So
Yeah.
there is a win-win situation every time.
Mm.
Yes. Guys, are you there?
Sir, it's 7.
7. Oh, so Shaima, you please check your answer.
I guess I'm winning. Haha.
Yeah, so in the previous time you were thinking, right? And Shaima that time got the correct answer.
Yes, that's why I must win.
Oh, so that is why you were competing this time, right? Good.
Yes.
Competition is good. And Tala, Amar, Shoaib, Aisha, what about you guys?
7.
Sorry, sir, it's 5.
Eh? What is
Don't leave me, please.
Sir, I'm getting 5.
Yeah, I'm getting. Sir, I
Yes,
get
sir, it's
7.
5.
Sir, don't change mine. I am 7. I'm still 7.
okay, what is
Yeah.
happening, guys? So
You
this
think
is
I'm
5.
relevant to the answer.
Yeah. So there are 3 5s and there are 2 7s. So Amar and Shoaib, what about you guys?
Yeah, Amar, I must not lose.
So 5 has 3 votes, right? This one. Okay, so okay, your friend has abandoned you, right?
Yes, sir, I think I have done something wrong.
Okay, so now you are going down, right? And now
No, I will not change my hands.
Shwe wants his one.
I think I did wrong.
Okay, so yeah,
So 7.
let me. Oh, Amar is
Amar, I said I'm doing wrong.
okay.
Believe
So
me.
I was not
one,
sure because
one,
everyone got different
two.
answers. I'm just checking. I'm just doing it over and over.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So there
No,
is
I'm getting wrong answer.
a clear majority here, right? Okay,
Yes.
so we should go with the majority, right? And this is yeah. So
So
what do you
now
think?
you may do the answer.
Yeah. So I can also be wrong, right? So let's say if I get 9, then
Well, what's that answer?
yeah. So yeah, then C1 is how much? -7. And what is the question? Find the value for which the pair of linear equation have infinitely many solutions. So we can choose one, right? One equation we can choose. So k plus 1, b2 is 2k minus 1, right? And then c2 is minus of 4k plus 1. So we can choose any of the variables. So let us choose a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. And let us choose this one. So this is 2 by 3, and this is equal to k plus 1, 2k minus 1. So how much is this? 4k minus 2, 3k plus 3. So what would be this, Rizwan?
And Nani, I don't know.
Okay,
Five.
fine.
Uh,
Yeah, so the answer is 5. So the team,
yeah, I said that I did wrong. It's not
yeah,
my point.
okay. Yeah, everyone, yeah, good. So good for this healthy competition. And yeah, so we'll stop it here. And in the next time, we'll try to just pace a little more and do all these questions, right?
Mm,
See you guys. Yeah, see you guys in the next class. Bye, guys. Bye.
okay, and thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye, everyone. Yes. Hello, Tejasvi. Good evening. Good evening. Where are your friends? Yeah. Good evening. Good evening. So, where are your friends? Where is Preeti? Where is?
They will be joining, sir.
Maybe they are thinking that this class starts after 10 minutes. That's why they are taking that. Okay. Good. Good.